Hello everyone, this is Subodh from EV Dunya. Right now I have with me Mr. Suresh from Virya Mobility. Hello Mr. Suresh.
Hello,
Yeah, welcome to our show.
thank you.
So Virya Mobility has a range of solutions for the automobile industry. And so to start with this, Mr. Suresh, can you tell us a bit about Virya Mobility?
Virya Mobility coming from the Maini group based out from Bangalore, who has been created the Reva way back 2000, and then they launched in 25 countries, has been sold the Reva product, and then now the same organization entered into the Virya Mobility, the new venture of Virya Mobility, and then Sun Mobility 2 has been ventured after the selling to the Mahindra team. So we are into the one-stop solution of the product we are giving to the OEMs for the electric mobility area domain. So we have a two-wheeler, and today we are focusing into the two-wheeler and three-wheeler, and then the micro track. Those are three areas we are giving solutions to the all the Indian OEMs and then the other customers. So in that now we developed the three-wheeler kit powertrain solution, and then that is we have a capable of providing for a passenger as well as the cargo applications. So we are giving multiple OEMs in India as on today. So this has been used commercially. So we have a multiple kind of a powertrain solution. One is for a 6 kilowatt, another one is a 10 kilowatt, and then 15 kilowatts. This we can use it in a different power rating area requirement areas.
Right.
So these are all the one is this is a powertrain solution. We have a compact power solution used for the using the IBM motor with a 20 kilowatt up to 20 kilowatt. We have a solution in this area, and then we have a range of chargers varying from the 24 volt to we have up to 360 volts. This has been used in multiple applications like a two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheelers, and then majority of them we are using giving solution to the four-wheeler manufacturers like Tata Motors as well as the Mahindra. We are the one supplier providing to them.
Excellent.
So for the two-wheeler and the three-wheeler solution, we have developed the E clusters. So that has been used in we have a CAN communication systems, and then the error capability of showing it based on the BMS, everything. That kind of a total multiple features are available. So this is the vehicle smart tracking system. This based on our last 15 years experience, this has been developed. This can transmit this can be capture in the vehicle diagnosis system as well as the vehicle location locator, and then what is the efficiency of the driver operations, that we know many things this can throw. Apart from that, now we can add multiple sensors to overcome the what is the overload conditions or the cargo applications, as well as the if the doors are open or not open. This also we can identify. This is totally used for the E application as well as the IC engine, both applications. This will be useful for the commercial purpose.
Yeah, so an ideal product for fleet
Fleet management. This is good for a fleet management. In the market currently, no, many of them they're using for the fleet application only the vehicle location GPS system, but here GPS along with the data analytic, that is the advantage in this.
Right, sir. Understood. And then we are seeing quite a few converters, so DC to DC converters.
Yeah. So we have chargers. So apart from the chargers, we have a DC-DC converters for the electric vehicle as well as the IC engines also. So we have a DC-DC converter starting from the 240 volt to up to the 1 kilowatt available. This will be used for a 48 volt as well as the 72 volts. Both applications we can use this on.
All right. Yeah, got it. Thank you so much, sir, for explaining all your products. As you mentioned, you're already supplying to Mahindra, Tata, and all the big players.
Yeah.
So, so it's and things are only going to get bigger from here. So, thanks again for talking to us today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.